How to Netflix app use, beginner's guide to use Netflix. Now, if you are a beginner on Netflix, now even if you're a beginner, I won't cover the process of creating an account and subscribing to Netflix in this video. For that, we have got plenty of tutorials which you can simply search in our channel. Now this is for those who have already created their account, they are signed in. Right off the bat, when you open the Netflix app, you are welcome with the profile screen. Netflix will allow you to have up to 5 different profile screens, but you can also add an extra slot if you pay extra money, which is only available on the website. Now you can customize the settings for these profiles right from this page by tapping the edit button, selecting a certain profile and changing the option like profile log, viewing restrictions, language, audio language, subtitle language, appearance, autoplay and stuff, or even deleting the profile and creating a new profile. So this is just for editing the profile. If you go ahead and then log into any of these profiles after entering your PIN, you're welcome with the news and the hot tab, which is the trending tab that people are watching on Netflix. So here you can resume anything that you're watching. You can tap on the search icon from the top right to search for a certain, let's say, show, and you can tap on the download icon to see whatever you've downloaded. You can come to the home tab to continue watching series. Everything that you're continuing watching, you'll find them here. You can see the mobile games. For that, normally Netflix is sponsoring this, and here you can also see other options as such. If you go to games, these are some of the exclusive games that Netflix offers, which you have to play with your Netflix account. And if you go to My Netflix, here you'll customize pretty much everything that your account has to offer, like your downloads, where you'll be able to manage them. You can tap on the 3 lines, and if you go to account, you'll be able to find your payment method, your current plan that you have, whether you want to change the plan, delete the plan, log out, change password, or manage the devices. Either way, this is the way on how you can use Netflix as a beginner. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in our next video.